I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine so the rest works. Enable Linux apps or sign into the cloud gaming service. This is required. Next, free up memory by closing tabs and disabling extensions, because Fortnite needs consistent RAM and CPU. Plug the charger in and select the higher power profile to avoid throttling. Once done, reboot to clear residual processes and make sure your Wi-Fi is on the 5 GHz band for lower latency. Now you install and configure the client that actually runs Fortnite. If you use GeForce Now or a browser cloud client, sign in and pick a server region near you. Server distance matters for ping. Lower the game resolution to 1280 by 720 and cap frames at 60 to reduce CPU load. This trades visuals for smoothness. If running inside a Linux container, allocate more CPU cores and 2 GB extra memory. Finish with final tweaks that eliminate common bottlenecks. Prefer a wired Ethernet adapter for stable throughput. If not possible, move closer to the 5 GHz router and avoid other heavy network users. Turn off Bluetooth and unused peripherals to reduce CPU interruptions. If you still see stutter, run a network speed and latency test, switch to a different server, and flush your DNS or restart your router. These steps often remove hidden routing or cache issues that cause lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.